First of all, open your game in Roblox Studio, and then in this Explorer section, you have to find out this starter player. So expand starter player, and here we have to add a local script inside of starter player script. So click this plus icon, add local script. And now inside the local script, you have to add this code. So carefully write this code. And we have to add here the group ID. To get your Roblox group ID, go to your browser, open Roblox, and go to Communities tab. And here, open the group. And then copy the group ID from here, just like this. Now go back to your studio, paste here the group ID. And now let's play our experience. And now let's wait for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, here we can see the group join button showing. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.